My name is Weston Zapf, and I'm the owner-operator of Loud Organix Farms. We've been in business now for 4 years out in Hotchkiss on the western slope of Colorado. We're a 46-acre farm. We have 30 acres of hemp under cultivation. We raise meat production and vegetables for ourselves. Prior to working with Rivulis, we were using what's called gated pipe, which uses a pipe with plastic gates in it that you slide open to flood the field down a furrow. And it's very inefficient and not so effective as the precision watering of T-tape. Hemp needs specific watering to the root zone so that it can grow to its full potential. With drip tape and using the Rivulis products, you're able to precisely water your plants how they're needed to be watered, and it kind of takes the guesswork out of it. Using T-tape has saved us a lot of time in the aspect that we're not having to go and move water around. We're able to water whole blocks of the field at one time instead of just little sections and moving it through the pipe. It waters effectively all the way down at the same application rate to each plant, instead of a plant that's in a low spot getting more water and a plant that's in a high spot getting less water. With drip tape, you're able to inject fertilizers, you're able to only water the plant that you're trying to water instead of trying to water all of the weeds around it. It's more efficient and effective that way. The Rivulis products that we are using are the pressure reducing valves that reduce the water pressure as it's coming from our pump system to be adequate enough pressure for the T-tape that we use underneath the plastic rows to water the plants efficiently. We're also using the 3-inch lay flat that is our sub-main line that feeds the T-tape underneath the plastic. This year we were fortunate enough to be able to use Manna, which is a sensor-free irrigation monitoring system. Manna and Rivulis work well together because you are able to use the irrigation recommendations that Manna is using, or that Manna is providing for you, and use that through the Rivulis T-tape to precisely water your fields on the recommendations that are needed for the plants to grow. The Rivulis has provided training for us for the last 2 years. This has been valuable to us because it's taken a new type of agricultural watering system and shown us how to use it efficiently and effectively, instead of us going through the guesswork and trying to figure out what is going on. I would recommend using Rivulis for others because of the support that we've received from them, and the effectiveness of their products in our fields have increased our yields drastically. And it's also allowed us to have a great partnership with our local distributor of Rivulis. I would say that there are other ways of watering your fields as a hemp farmer, but to do it efficiently and effectively, drip tape with Rivulis is the best route to go.